there any videos left?
We got a headliner.
Yeah, check it out, guys. Actually, I want to watch it with you guys.
What?
Yeah.
The headliner?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Can I build this?
Oh shit.
So we're finished there. So guys, headliners is you, bro.
Oh, did I ask?
Yeah, that'll be you. I just want to rewatch it with you. Yeah, is it okay?
Yeah, bro. Do your thing.
Yeah, I just want to.
Do your thing.
I really love this video, you know, man.
Yeah.
Like, I cannot explain. Just give me a sec.
Appreciate that, man. God damn.
Yeah, let's do this.
Yo, shout out to Typ.e Lively as well too, man. Shout out to you, bro. It's time to start the formation. In order to start a nation, you raging to rise above the problems that you're facing. Struggling any occasion, fire a passion blazing. Mine is truly amazing, but only surface you raising. Sometimes you got to know the consequence of a rebel. Refuse to go depths, thinking on the mundane level. So get the shovel and dig deep into your conscience. Time to speak truth, so enough with the nonsense. Cause we on offense, got the defense tense, talking with substance. Choosing mental abundance, a universal oneness from what my tongue spit. It came from the pit as dimensions split. Never sit and watch my dreams slip off brick. Upgrade from chains and whips to chains and whips. It's still the same, just trapped in the system's game. Damn, they tried to tarnish the name. Yeah, you gotta know the formation. Gotta know the formation. Keep your thoughts blazing. Gotta know your formation. Know the formation. Easy, hard to find you, and that's the only way for your soul to define you. Ignoring the signs too, distractions to blind you. Still have hope, you'll awake when it's time to. Just to remind you, unconsciously unaware when scattered to live in fear, in need of care. True love from the heart is rare. Trauma turns to hate, confusion and its solution. Ride go be bumpy instead of soul soothing. In all walks of life, in every step you feel you losing. Real relationships in this life that you're losing. Even though we suffer the most from abusing, false accusing, can't find this hardly amusing. But I learned through my experience, the best teacher. With a heart to gold, the treasure chest keeper. Knowledge is 360 and it only gets deeper. Better call the Grim Reaper. Yeah. Gotta know the formation. Gotta know the formation. Keep the doors blazing. Gotta know the formation. Yo, shout out to Typ.e Lively, bro. Yeah.
Walking through the hood, let me paint a picture for you. Melanin skins with pale faces, they don't even believe in their race. Can't maintain the pace, nigga, you gon' die quick. Thinking life erased, blocks get tainted, bullets spraying, windows breaking, all this frustration. Niggas on the block get complacent and they start complaining about their misfortune. Shit. I'm lucky to be alive, lucky mama couldn't afford an abortion. Never got to raise a son, but somehow still holds a portion to his manhood. No father either, but he was eager to be better than he was, so tall he stood. Cause niggas pulled triggers for no reason, now daddy gone for good. You can see the fake in the smile if you reach forward, grab his master pole, he mastered all. All you niggas place like some fool. I'm eating all you niggas place like I can never be full. Ripping on the clips and I'm a straight pull. Like loud nigga.
So you shot this on the iPhone?
Huh? Yo, shout out to Timmy. He shot it on the iPhone.
When you can iPhone got took time up, isn't you?
He just took it with the iPhone, bro, and he waved it. So he's like, yeah, come this way. Come that way, yeah.
Then прикинь, when you can iPhone got nanda clip so брат. Тима. Yo, respect.
Tim,
much love.
appreciate you, bro. Shout out to you,
man.
man.
So how was it? Like, did you guys? It was this summer or when
This
was?
Yeah. It was in the summer.
Oh, cool.
It was in the summer. And you know, he's just like, yo, man, I would love to work.
Yeah.
Love to work with you, shoot a video, and I'm like, you know what? That ain't a bad idea. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Let's do it. And you know.
No, this collaboration was.
Yeah. We're gonna work. We're gonna do plenty more.
Yeah, man.
We're gonna do plenty more.
Good luck with that, bro. I really appreciate that you guys here and trying to support each other, you know.
Definitely.
So we're gonna make it. Why not?
Hell yeah.
That's my why not.
You gonna make it? Why not? You feel me?
Yeah, appreciate
like,
you.
yo.
Yeah, man.
It's all love, man.
Yeah, appreciate it, guys.
It's all love, yo.
Yeah, man.
Yo, shout out to KETTIKbek once again. Big up, man.
Yo, man.
Big up.
I'm not sure when it's gonna be ready, but yeah, I'm gonna make it cool.
It's all love, bro.